Imagine standing on the deck of a small research vessel in the middle of the ocean at night. The water is dark, almost black, and it feels as if beneath you lies a bottomless void. You put on your gear and take a step forward. The descent begins. At first, familiar shapes of fish surround you, but with every meter, the light from the surface fades away. Then, suddenly, flashes. Hundreds of tiny lights ignite in the darkness. This is not fantasy or special effects. It is bioluminescence. Here, in the depths, life has learned to glow, like an underwater sky filled with its own stars. You sink deeper and realize how little we truly know about this world. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. While humans build telescopes to study distant planets, an entire hidden universe exists right beneath our feet, seen only in fragments. Suddenly, something enormous appears before you. It is not a mountain and not a shipwreck. It is a coral reef, a living organism, the largest on the planet. Millions of tiny creatures build it over years, creating an underwater city so vast it can be seen from space. You continue swimming, and a fish approaches you. It watches closely. You move, and it follows your gaze. Surprisingly, some fish can actually recognize human faces. The ocean is far more intelligent than it seems. As you go deeper, the water grows colder, and the current suddenly changes. Ahead of you flows an underwater river. Yes, a real river beneath the sea, as if the ocean hides another ocean within itself. There are even underwater waterfalls, cascading into the darkness. In a rocky crevice, you spot an octopus. It does not flee, it observes. This deep sea dweller can solve problems, use tools, and remember people. Its intelligence is one of the greatest mysteries on Earth. But the strangest encounter lies ahead. A small, almost invisible jellyfish. It is not afraid of time. When conditions become dangerous, it simply starts life over again. It returns to its juvenile form, as if pressing a reset button. In the ocean, there exists a creature for which aging is not a sentence. You descend to an incredible depth. The pressure here could crush a submarine, yet life still exists. Fish with transparent bodies, eyeless creatures, shapes that seem designed not by evolution, but by imagination. And then, a sound, deep, resonant, the song of a whale. It travels through the water for thousands of kilometers. The ocean is speaking to itself. As you rise back toward the surface, you understand something essential. Every second breath you take on land is a gift from the ocean. Its microscopic inhabitants produce most of the oxygen on our planet. When you finally return to the light, the ocean looks calm. But now you know, beneath that smooth surface lies an entire world. Ancient, intelligent, glowing, and still largely unknown to us.